Africa Content TV.
Of them, I thank you. I thank you very much. And I thank you. As I have said, there's no way I can thank everybody. But if I don't mention your name, I'll be at the back of your mind that I appreciate you and I love you. Thank you all. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Please, see. In Nigeria, with all due respect to other speakers that are here, is the Lagos State House of Assembly. With all due respect, because we know that it's a house of uncommon standard, that it is a pride of the nation, and they have standards that they've set that others will continue to emulate. And that leadership is led today, and by the grace of God, by your friend and brother, Dr. Mudashiru Ajayi Obasa, who is the chief honor, who is thanking God Almighty Allah for sparing